typical Spanish area, bars at night time, famous Tapas alley, and of course, the British street at night. It is so cold that it's packed up on the inside, but there is no one on the outside. Welcome back to the channel Benidorm by Anna, and welcome back to a brand new video from Benidorm's nightlife. This time it's basically winter season. It is very cold outside. You can see that people changed up into jackets. There's heaters everywhere. It is less than 10 degrees right now, and well, this is the reality of Benidorm nightlife last couple of days of November. Even thieves probably will not going out with such a cold weather, which is good for a lot of us. As you all know, thieves and pickpocketers and the loving thieves on the British street, they activate once there's the peak tourism season. But there's not as many people. Many nightclubs are closed and it's really cold outside, which means it's great because there is way less of them out here and we really appreciate it. Everything is decorated and ready for the Benidorm Christmas celebrations. And on the typical streets that are visited both by national tourists, Spanish tourists, and international ones too. Alameda Avenue, for example, packed up with people enjoying some nice drinks, snacks, cocktails, something warm, something cold, some favorite cocktails, and all the heaters are working everywhere. It is also the night of Black Friday. As you all know, we've published you a video yesterday from Black Friday, but this is actually the night's time, and obviously you'll see it the next day because now it's already too late. So this is how Black Friday night is looking like. All the places are open. It's Friday, it's weekend start. Hence, so many people are here everywhere. Not sure how people are drinking cocktails on the street because honestly, it is cold. Imagine having a cold both on the outside and on the inside while you're sipping an iced cocktail. I don't know, but there's still people taking these and it's quite interesting for me. I would prefer to grab a tea or a coffee if someone drinks coffee, but I would prefer like a warm drink since not even scarves help out. Woo, it is chilly outside. This is the atmosphere here towards the old town in the traditional city center. The Alameda Hotel is right here nearby. Their lovely terrace with quite a few heaters on once again. And people are just looking for a nice and warm place where to be. If you're right next to the heater, you're perfectly fine. Probably, and a nice cocktail sounds refreshing. But if you're far away from it, boy, it's going to be quite cold. The straight road towards the old town, people are just wandering around, enjoying the views at night of Benidorm skyline, the Poniente Beach, Levante Beach, the old town viewpoint, and obviously the Tapas street. This is all Tapas area. There's one street that's the Tapas alley. That's how international tourists call it. But we, Spanish, we do call it La Calle de los Vascos, which is the Basque street. That's because that's where a lot of these places, a lot of the families, the owners are coming from. Obviously, here we have La Cava Aragonesa, a touristy place, number one, definitely. We've been here, we've tried it. It's like touristic, hyped up place, but honestly, we've seen cheaper places and with very good service. Like Pincho Saurera, we love this place. We've been here. Tapas are really good. It's a nice place to go and try out typical Spanish food. And then we have some more restaurants here. It does look slightly more quiet, honestly, maybe because it is cold outside, so people go indoors. Oyster places, French oysters. Then we have a lot of these places and restaurants. We've tried these out. Actually, we have them here on the channel, so check it out in our food playlist. By the way, our playlists have been renewed. We're still working on them, but from now onwards, it will be way more easy for you to find videos, nightlife, beach walks, just in general informative walking tours, news updates, surrounding villages, and many more, or food videos. So from now onwards, it will be very easy to do so. Back on the British street, we are on the famous Girona street. Here, obviously, it's evening time, it's night time, and this is what's happening. Morgan Tavern is open. They continue to have a lot of entertainment starting from 7 p.m. at night. The terrace is slightly less busy, but that is due to an obvious reason. It is cold outside, so it's normal for people to be on the indoors to cover up from the cold. The last stop karaoke place is like a pub plus food place. It's all in one. They have drinks, offers, etc. Karaoke from 8:30 in the evening. That's how it looks like. There's people singing. There's quite a lot of drinks. There's nice atmosphere. It's just a great place to be. It's a healthy place to be. People do seem to like it. And people are just coming here to sing, to have fun, to have a chat with their friends and loved ones and couples. It's nice. And you get to get some food in case you get hungry. A lot of the places for drinks and entertainment, they mostly have that and they don't have any kind of snacks. But here, it's all in one. The Waikiki terrace is almost empty. They do have a closed area though. That helps a little bit more because, well, honestly, it is too chilly outside. Not gonna lie. It is what it is. And well, it's not as cozy anymore to walk down the street. Taxis keep arriving. Some leave people at their hotels, which is like this one, the Ambassador or the Rio d'Or. Others are coming here on purpose, even though they stay in a different area, to enjoy some evening entertainment or to visit their typical preferred bars. The square, for example, with some food for a takeaway. Not too busy today. Even John and Joseph's, there's quite a few people on the inside, but honestly, we've seen it way busier previous months and weeks. The Wild Duck does have a show right now on the inside. Packed up inside, empty on the outside. Once again, this is due to the weather. And a lot of people can say, oh, well, it's not as cold. Well, yes, if you're coming from a country where it's below zero or almost touching zero during daytime, obviously it's going to be warm. But for us, those who live here constantly, it is cold. It is very cold. Western Saloons put some heaters on. We can see them from here, from the outside, even from the street. Quite a few heaters out there make very nice atmosphere for people on the inside, cozy, nice and warm. The terrace is closed to maintain the heat. It's working non-stop. And it's packed up on the inside and on the outside here on the closed terrace. Let's see what's happening slightly further along. And here we have the Hotel California. All the good places, those who stay through winter are equipped for it perfectly. They close down their terrace with these types of like plastic covers. And they do put heaters a lot of the times. There's entertainment, there's music, there's just a nice atmosphere. Those are mostly the places who do not shut down during winter holidays and remain open to offer entertainment and a great place to just sit down and grab some drinks with friends, even in winter season. Then we have some more typical places here, partying, playing pool, listening to some music, watching sports, all in one. And obviously, Red Lion is also here. This is one of the nightclubs that are not closing down whatsoever. This is what is happening way more into the night. This is already past midnight, and this is the atmosphere in the all nearby nightclubs. Loud music, people dancing, grabbing some drinks. This is the nightlife and how it looks like. Some places here, for example, look way quieter because there's a different type of entertainment. There's live bands, one is DJ sessions, and here we have bands actually playing. So it's just preferences of different types of people, but I've never seen this as busy. It's as busy as it is in summer. Look at this. Absolutely incredible places to have some nice entertainment. It's like a concert hall if you wish. Wow, absolutely incredible atmosphere. These are authentic fun and nightlife places here in Benidorm town. Live entertainment, bands, concerts, tributes. This is why so many people love the British street. And obviously, then we have other types of entertainments, which are places that have DJ sessions. A lot of them are already prepared for Christmas and New Year. There's plenty of decorations everywhere. There's different types of music. Some of them have typical Spanish, others have international ones. So you can definitely find something that is your preferred option for entertainment here at night. But definitely all these places have something in common. Even basically in December month, all of these are still very, very busy. This is the difference between the typical Spanish side for partying, for drinks and cocktails, that's what people do, and the British street, which is where entertainment doesn't stop.